Thank you. I like it. Tongue. Watch out, Jacob. I need the tongue. This is our daddy said. God, it's too tight. I'm going to put my shoes on. I'm going to put my shoes. There we go.
Pick them up and bend over, and it's awful. I'm like, I'm not doing that again for a while.
No, it's not. It's gone. Oh, it's not gone. It's gone. Oh, it's not. It's not. No, it's not, Brady. No, it's not. It's not gone. No, it's gone. I'm coming back. It's coming back. It's coming back?
Did you put any shoes on?
Oh, yes.
They do?
Yeah.
Especially we dress themselves now.
What?
Thank you.
And the other one is gone.
Alex, stop.
What's the main one? Oh, look at my horseshoes.
What?
I'm going to get my other shoes.
What are the shoes, baby?
I'm going to get my other shoes.
Where are they?
Oh, look at my other one.
They're not here. Aren't they at home?
Yeah. Yeah, home.
Okay, we'll go up to
Do what's on them.
I don't know.
It's coming back.
Thank you.
Oh. It's coming back. You see? It's broken.
Where? Let me see. Oh, I might have fixed this.
Okay.
You want to fix this?
Yeah.
You don't need to worry.
I don't need to worry. I don't need to worry. I don't need to worry. It's not coming back. Oh.
Nana fixed it.
Nana fixed it. I'm going to put my... It's not too tight. It is. It's too tight.
Is the tongue in there?
Yeah.
Let me see.
It's tight.
Okay, you don't have to get that. Hold on.
Ow.
We'll pull it out.
Those are my tools.
That better? That better?
This is too tight.
Oh, that's good.
Look.
Okay, better?
Here's mine. Oh, no, I'm going to get mine. I'm going to get mine. Oh, yeah. Yes. Get mine.
What are those supposed to be?
These are remotes.
Remotes?
Yeah, remotes.
Oh,
Watching movies.
I gotcha. What channel are you changing it to?
I'm changing dinosaurs. The dinosaur movie I record.
Oh, you're recording it?
I'm recording mine.
Oh, cool. What do you like, Danny? What show do you like? You like Dora? How about Diego? Do you like Diego?
I'm gonna put Diego on blue.
Okay, put Diego on.
Well, I record dinosaurs. I record dinosaur movie on BoxU.
Awesome.
You can watch it now.
Why not?
It's for big boys.
Well, I'm a big boy. Am I a big boy?
Yeah.
Am I? Am I a big boy, Jacob?
Watch this.
Jacob, am I a big boy or am I a man?
You're a man.
What are you?
A boy.
And what is Danny?
What's
A
mine?
Oh,
girl. I'm a girl.
you're a girl? And what's Jacob?
A boy.
What's mommy?
And what about me? What am I?
A man. Yeah, a man.
And what is mommy?
Mommy's a woman.
A woman, yeah.
Oh, she's a girl.
Well, she's a girl, but she's an older girl. You call an older girl a lady, right, or a woman?
Another woman.
Right.
My mom.
What do you call more than one man? If there's more than one man, what do you call that, Jacob? What's the plural for man, Jacob?